Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome to another video of winning product breakdown. This is video number 2, and I do have a pretty popular product that's selling pretty well right now that I want to show you guys. In this video, within the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you number 1, a winning product that's hot and selling right now on AliExpress. Number 2, I'm going to show you a few competitors that are selling it and how you can find them yourselves. Number 3, I'm going to give you a few potential angles that you might want to follow for this product, and everything else I mentioned will be linked below as well. My fellow Chads, sit back for these next 5 minutes. Just pay attention. If you find value in this video and you like it, you know what to do. Not gonna ask you what to do, but just do it. Let's see why I like this product. Alright guys, so to get straight to the point, we are now in my computer, and the product that I want to display in video number 2 is this sunset projector lamp. I have had at least 6 separate people PM me on my Discord server saying, hey, should I test this thing? Hey, it hasn't been on TikTok as of right now, and if I'm first to it, I could win. Is this true? So if you're not on my Discord, make sure you hop in there because that's where you're gonna find me the most. A few people have talked to me about this thing, and so I finally thought it was time to sit down, do some research on why it's killing it and how you can too. So here it is right here, the AliExpress listing. It's called the sunset projector lamp. There's multiple colors. I'm kind of a fan of like the sunset red and like the sunset color itself, especially during the winter time when it gets dark really early on and it's COVID and people are locked inside. Sunlight is one of the most important things for your body to make sure that you're energized, you're balanced, etc., etc. And so if you're getting not enough sun, that has mental effects. This could maybe replace that and make it feel like it's more sunnier in your house. I feel like that's one of the main angles they have. I personally never base my theory off of AliExpress order volume. Again, I haven't dropshipped a new product since 2020 as I'm completely focused on brand building, but if I were to jump back into it, I would not prioritize order volume at all on AliExpress. The only thing that really matters is a brand killing it right now with this product, and is there Amazon listings for this product that have good reviews and a pretty sizable amount of reviews. If so, there's a market for it and you can definitely get things done. And again, there's similar products just like this one that have sold well, like that Galaxy projector lamp, that mini projector, for example, all kinds of these cool little lights, these TikTok lights with the remote that you can use under your desk, under your room, on your roof, whatever it may be. So this thing is proven. So by simply searching sunset lamp on Facebook, I found one here that has 48K views since March 12th, and today's March 18th. And then I found another one down here that has 36K views since March 14th, and I opened those up. So here's the first video. It's literally just a TikTok, and I don't want to play the sound, but you can pretty much just see it looks pretty damn dope, and it's literally a TikTok video that they just downloaded and saved and ran as an ad. So I guess they allow that on Facebook. They don't on Snapchat or TikTok. Obviously, you can't have any watermarks, but it just looks great. It's almost like another angle for this, like as you can see right here, is like golden hour for girls. You know, there's so many angles for this thing that's like, damn, like, I would test this. Number 1, boost energy because you're gonna feel like you have more energy because of the sun. Number 2, golden hour, perfect for photos, perfect for home. You know, some people like taking photos of like their home decor for Pinterest and whatnot. This can help them boost that like quality of their photos. The list just goes on, guys. So this is one of the videos. It's very UGC based. I can play through the rest of it, but this is all gonna be linked below anyways. And yeah, look at that. Like, see now they're displaying their decor. She's taking a little selfie, her bed sheets. It just looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. I personally wouldn't buy it just because I don't really care, but that's one ad for it. And then the other one's pretty much the same, but just a little bit more or less native to the platform, I guess. This one obviously was not ran on TikTok. This was probably made by like Bands Off Ads or something, as you can tell with like all these cool little text animations. Hey, if it works, it works, right? So these 2 stores, we can dig through their website as well real quick. One of their stores is called Viral Lamp, and here's a link right here. Pretty cool website. I always like to go hit Command F12 and just kind of see how it looks on. I like to view it on mobile view because desktop, you know, especially for most of these products, like at least 95% of your traffic is going to be mobile. So when you're building out a site, really focus on mobile view versus desktop. Believe me, it makes a difference, and the conversion rate's going to be higher and better if your site is optimized for mobile view. So here's the website. Some nice GIFs, some simple things. They're not really explaining too much how it works because there's no need to. It's self-explanatory. I see dropshippers write an entire novel about a self-explanatory mug or a simple product. Don't be one of those people, guys. Be a Chad. Please be a Chad like me and just create a simple description, simple website, simple ads that are native and suit the platform, and you will see results as you go on. It's not going to happen overnight. For most products, it won't. For some, it does. You see it on YouTube and you think it's possible, but For most, if you just take your time, have good quality product, order some samples to your house, make sure it's good, this can be powerful for you. The product just meets my 3 pillars. So number 1, there's a mass appeal for this thing. Number 2, there's potential for high margins, at least a 2.5 to 3x margin when you're pricing it on your store. And it has that eye-catching wow factor. The first product I did in my first series also kind of had that factor. I think this one kind of has it a little bit more. And I do believe that the first few people that are able to go on TikTok and organically make this go viral and then also run paid ads do have a big potential to make a quick bag, baby. And what you do with that bag is up to you. You can invest in real estate, you can invest in stocks, you can buy an M4, or you can just keep doing this over and over again and buy all 3. Who knows? The choice is yours. But this is the intro video. If you're still sticking around after these 4 minutes, that means that you probably have a higher attention span than most people, at least according to my YouTube channel analytics. So if you're still sticking around, you are a G, you are definitely a Chad. Make sure that you subscribe that like button. That's what I'm saying. I just messed up, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. Subscribe that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. All right, guys, video is over. If you're still sticking around, thanks so much for watching. Just one more thing I wanted to mention. If you are an entrepreneur of any sort, you're a beginner, you're an expert, you're somewhere in the middle, and you want to be in a community that has a lot of like-minded people that are doing e-commerce, starting their own, software as a service companies, and everything in between there, feel free to join my Discord server. Each and every single day, people are coming in and joining my server and just interacting. You don't even have to talk too much. A lot of people just join and like to listen in on what we're talking about. Look at all the resources that I have in there. There's a lot of channels in there talking about things like investing and e-commerce and software. And of course, all my YouTube videos are in there, and I'm always in there giving you gold nuggets. So if you want to join, that link is below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.